Hello there. So, after having the introduction and looking at our curriculum, we are now at section 3, meaning that you are really super interested in moving on with this process. So, we are first going to look at our first section of the vocabulary. Vocabulary 1 on lecture 4 of this course. So the vocabularies are going to be very basic vocabulary because our process is to start from literally zero English speakers to all the way to improving the people who already know some English. So we have to include all these people as we move on with the process. So just in case, if you were an intermediate or an A2 English speaking person, or if your level is A2 or B1 level, then this vocabulary might seem very basic for you, but they are actually a good chance for you to keep on repeating or reviewing your vocabulary bank in your mind. Now, starting on with our first vocabulary. Well, here we are. Hello. That's really basic. Hello there. Goodbye. Goodbye, Mom. Goodbye, Dad. When you wake up in the morning, the first thing you say to the people, good morning. Good morning, Amelia. Good morning, darling. After lunch, good afternoon. Hey, good afternoon. Before we go, we always say, thank you. Thank you. And if you're happy about something, or if you really want something from someone, then you need to be a little bit more kind in asking for it. Please help me. Please. And if I'm ready to help you, I say, sure. Yes. I'm going to help you. Yes. If I'm not in a position to help you, I say, no. I'm sorry. No. I'm sorry. If you get somebody who comes into the surrounding for the first time, then you say, welcome. Hello. Welcome in, please. Welcome. Okay, we're done with the most basic vocabularies. Now let's look at some nouns which we might need when we are constructing some sentences. Man, woman. Man, woman. Boy, girl. Boy, girl. Baby, baby. Child, child. Children, children. Grandfather, grandmother. Grandfather, grandmother. This is my grandmother. He is my boy. She is my child. They are our children. He is my dad. She is my mom. Thank you. These are the most basic vocabularies. And remember, all the vocabularies that we're actually trying to give you at the beginning or in every course or in every section, we are actually going to use them in writing and speaking. So as much as basic they might seem, they are all going to be included in our speaking and writing section, and sometimes in the reading sections too. Thank you, and I hope to see you in the next lecture.